going on, guys? Welcome back for another one. Today we're gonna head down to a local bar of mine that's fairly close to where I work. It has a racetrack around it as well. They do some dirt oval racing with quads and go-karts over the summer. We're gonna go check it out, get a little more FPV practice in. We'll see you guys there. All right, boys and girls, here we are at Lippy's Bar and Grill here in Greene, New York. I'm gonna park and get set up and we'll get up in the air. All right, we're getting set up here. We got some cameo action. Got Mike's kids, who's the bar owner. So I got my goggles ready here, get my phone out. We're gonna take off here.
Is that okay?
Pop up.
Oh, I see it,
So the home point is adjusted.
Oh, I see it. Oh my God.
Can you see it out there?
It's so quick. Let's go down to Karen's house. Go down to Karen's house.
Where's that?
It's down that road. Oh, I just saw it. Wait, where did it go?
I just went right over. I'm in the field now. Yeah, I just wanted to get out here, get some more FPV practice under my belt. Drone is still in one piece, so that's cool. But yeah, this is a great little place out here. I'd say in the middle of nowhere, but it's not that far off the beaten path, but you get a nice field to fly in and a nice open area. So anyway, get some more practicing. Thanks for tagging along, guys. We'll catch you on the next one later.